Yeah. Okay. So Singapore doesn't. Stillbirth. In Singapore, there's a change this year. Okay. Last time the stillbirth was 22 weeks. Last year, January 1, 2024 become 24 weeks. Okay, so that means before 24 weeks is considered what? Miscarriage. They still want to consider miscarriage. Only after 24 weeks, then it's called stillbirth. So if it's stillbirth, you are entitled to maternity benefits. And the dad is still entitled to paternity benefits. Okay, so miscarriage doesn't have, Okay, so all these have to meet the doctors, I guess the hospital. Okay? Now, abortion, miscarriage, I just mentioned, no, you go medical leave. Now, at any one time, you are entitled to one type of leave. So if you have given maternity, you cannot take other type of leave. Sick leave or whatever. Yeah. So you only have one type of leave. That's why if you